for little n. They give you mass as 14 milligrams. You have to convert that to grams. So 14 milligrams, divide by 1,000, you get grams. If I want the n, small n, use your formula. You've got a magic triangle, or you've got the formula, n is equal to m divided by big M. So if I take my mass, divide by my molar mass, I've got my number of moles. So you've got to figure out what the molar mass of arsenic oxide is. What's the mass of one arsenic? You need your periodic table. What's one of them? 74.92 times 2. And then you've got 3 oxygens, so 16 times 3. Add these all up, and you get grams per mole. So now, plug these numbers into your equation. Do your math and you get a number. What number do you get? Somebody with a calculator. Or Saeed. What number did you get? Oh. So that's our answer. How many significant digits can I have? How many are in 14? 2. So we can only have 2 numbers in our final answer, which means we have to drop the second 7. So you're rounding the previous number up. So 7.1 times 10 to the negative 5. That's in scientific notation. If you were going to write that answer in standard notation or normal numbers, 0, decimal, see how it's times 10 to the negative 5? That means it's got 4 zeros in front of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 1. There's your answer in standard notation. To your 2 units. Do I have anything, or either one of those 2 numbers, do they have U's in them for units? Nope, so we're not going to look at U. Do either one of them have grams or moles? Yeah. So, grams over moles means grams over moles. Grams over moles. Divide it out, and you get a number. So it's going to be about 110, 112. What did you get? 114.8 grams per mole. So now, look in the periodic table. Find who's got the molar mass of about 115 grams per mole. Indium. That's the element. If you want formulas, this was just mass divided by moles. That's all this was. Mass divided by moles. Okay? So big N is equal to moles times Avogadro's number. So you have to find moles before you find big N. But it's equal to mass divided by molar mass. You've got both. But you have to change this to grams first. Okay? How you do it. These are now two-step problems, but you have to write down everything first. How many molecules in 2.6 milligrams of water? The molar mass of water is 18.02 grams for every 1 mole. Avogadro's number, we're talking about water, so its units are particles. So we know this information. To make your life easier, convert milligrams to grams right away, unless you want to put the ratio in. So milligrams to grams, divide by 1,000. Okay? If you're going grams to milligrams, then you're going to multiply by 1,000. So, we know we've got 0.0026 grams. So there's our information. I've got grams, I've got molar mass, I've got Avogadro's number. With Avogadro's number because the unit that we want is on the top. So we're going to write it out and we're going to put a times beside it. So we want to get rid of moles. So which one of the other two values has moles in it? The big M, the molar mass. Is the mole on top? No. We want the mole on top so that it cancels this mole down here. We want it to cancel this. So it's got to be up here. It's got to be on the top. So I'm going to flip it. 1 mole over 18.02 grams. So now my moles cancel. But I've got grams. I want to get rid of grams. So my other number must have grams. And it does. So now my grams cancel. So in your calculator, you would put in 6.02 times 10 to the 23 times 0.0026 divided by 18.02. So you multiply any number that's at the top, you divide by each number on the bottom. That's the number of molecules. And again, 2.6 has 2 sig figs. So our final answer is 8.7 times 10 to the 19 molecule.